Plot of land for sale by SCOPAS Real Estate and Construction. Plot with a total area of 10,227 square meters, on the west side of Paros, in the Koukoumavles area. The plot includes buildings with a total area of 535 square meters. There is no possibility for additional construction. Suitable for holiday or permanent homes. It is also an ideal choice for investment. West orientation with sea view. Electricity, water and internet are available nearby. Accessible by a dirt road. 2 kilometers from the beach, 8 kilometers from the airport, 4 kilometers from the port.